What if I told you that one forgotten bedtime ritual, just a simple cup of tea, could lower your blood pressure, erase joint pain, and help you sleep like a baby in just 7 days? Sounds unbelievable. That's exactly what thousands are quietly discovering, while others still struggle with restless nights and rising blood pressure. The secret? It's not sold in pharmacies, and doctors rarely talk about it. But if you stop watching now, you'll miss the recipe and the exact way to drink it for results you'll feel by morning. In this video, you'll discover a powerful bedtime tea that's quietly transforming lives, especially for people over 50. We'll break down exactly how this four-ingredient tea works to normalize blood pressure, soothe inflamed joints, and trigger the kind of deep, healing sleep your body has been craving. You'll learn the science behind each ingredient, the right way to prepare it, and most importantly, how to use it for just 7 nights to reset your health from the inside out. No pills, no side effects, just a simple nightly habit. So grab a mug and let's dive in. Benefit number 1, blood pressure normalization. Let's start with the first and perhaps most life-changing effect, lowering high blood pressure naturally. Millions rely on medication to control hypertension, but very few know that one of the most effective remedies is already growing in herb gardens around the world. The star here? Hibiscus. This vibrant red flower contains powerful natural compounds called anthocyanins that relax the blood vessels, allowing for smoother blood flow and reduced pressure on the heart. In fact, a 2010 study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that drinking hibiscus tea twice daily significantly lowered systolic blood pressure in pre-hypertensive and mildly hypertensive adults without medication. That's not a fringe study. This is peer-reviewed science. When you drink this tea before bed, the calming vasodilation effect begins as you sleep. You wake up with your cardiovascular system already more balanced. It's gentle, it's consistent, and for many, the numbers on the blood pressure monitor start to shift within days. Combine it with proper hydration and light movement during the day, and the effects are even stronger. Benefit number 2, deep, restful sleep. Now, let's talk about the one thing nearly every adult over 50 struggles with: sleep. Not just falling asleep, but staying asleep, reaching deep REM cycles and waking up feeling truly rested. This bedtime tea changes that, and the secret lies in 2 calming superstars: chamomile and lavender. Chamomile is more than just a bedtime cliché. It contains apigenin, a natural antioxidant that binds to specific receptors in your brain, reducing anxiety and initiating sleep. It doesn't knock you out like a sleeping pill, it gently nudges your nervous system into calmness. Then there's lavender, which has been used for centuries to reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone that keeps your mind racing at night. Studies have shown that inhaling or ingesting lavender before bed improves sleep quality, lowers heart rate, and increases slow-wave sleep, what you might call healing sleep. So when you sip this tea 30-60 minutes before bed, you're not just relaxing, you're actively repairing your sleep architecture. Night after night, your body begins to remember how to rest deeply. And the results? Less brain fog, fewer 3 a.m. wake-ups, and a calmer mind throughout the day. Benefit number 3, joint pain relief. And now, for the benefit most viewers don't expect, but end up loving the most: joint pain relief. Stiff knees in the morning, aching wrists at night, back pain that never quite goes away. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. But inside this bedtime tea is one ingredient that's a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse: turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound so effective that it's been compared to ibuprofen in multiple studies. The problem? Curcumin alone isn't easily absorbed by the body. That's why we pair it with a pinch of black pepper, just a pinch, because it contains piperine, which boosts absorption by up to 2,000%. This golden duo works while you sleep, reducing inflammation in the joints, improving mobility, and easing stiffness. People report waking up feeling looser, more flexible, and ready to move without that dreaded morning pain. And unlike over-the-counter meds, this natural combination supports long-term joint health without hurting your stomach or liver. It's not magic, it's consistent, gentle healing while you rest. And when combined with the other calming herbs, your body gets a full spectrum recovery during the night. The 4-ingredient bedtime tea recipe revealed. Now, let's reveal the full recipe for this miracle bedtime tea. You don't need exotic herbs or expensive supplements, just 4 ingredients, all available in most kitchens or health stores. Here's what you'll need. 1 teaspoon dried hibiscus petals. For blood pressure and heart health, 1 teaspoon dried chamomile flowers to relax the nervous system and induce sleep. Voici une amostra 2 teaspoon turmeric powder to reduce inflammation and relieve joint pain. A pinch of black pepper to supercharge turmeric absorption. Optional, add a few drops of lavender extract or steep a small piece of dried lavender for added calm. To make the tea, boil 1.5 cups of water, add all ingredients, cover, and steep for 10 minutes. Strain and sip slowly 30 to 60 minutes before bed. No sugar needed. Add raw honey if you must, but keep it minimal. Drink this nightly for 7 days, and you may notice profound shift. Better rest, lighter joints, calmer mornings, and numbers that begin to shift on your blood pressure monitor. Best time, tips to drink this for 7 days. Timing and consistency matter just as much as the ingredients. For the best results, drink this tea 30 to 60 minutes before going to bed. This gives your body time to absorb the nutrients and start its relaxation response before your head hits the pillow. For the 7-day challenge, don't skip a single night. The magic lies in the compounding effect. The first night, you may notice slightly deeper sleep. By night 3, many people wake up with less stiffness in their joints. And by the end of the week, blood pressure often begins to stabilize naturally. Tip: make this tea part of a calming bedtime ritual. Sip slowly with no phone or TV distractions. Pair it with dim lighting and deep breaths. It amplifies the effect. What to expect? Gentle detox. Some might feel slightly warm or notice more frequent trips to the bathroom. This is simply your body flushing toxins and excess fluids. It's all part of the healing process. Keep going for all 7 days and the changes will surprise you. Quick question: have you ever tried a natural remedy that actually worked for your sleep, blood pressure, or joint pain? If yes, what was it? And if not, do you think you'll try this 7-day tea challenge? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. You might inspire someone else to give it a shot too. Let's quickly recap. This simple bedtime tea, made with hibiscus, chamomile, turmeric, and a pinch of black pepper, can help normalize your blood pressure, ease joint pain, and restore deep, healing sleep in just 7 nights. No prescriptions, no side effects, just consistent natural healing while you rest. If you found this helpful, give the video a like. It really helps more people discover natural solutions like this. And if you haven't yet, hit that red subscribe button and turn on the bell, because we share new science-backed health tips every week, especially for those over 50 who want to take back control of their bodies naturally. And one last thing, share this with a loved one who struggles to sleep or manage their blood pressure. It might be the simplest gift you give this week. Sometimes it's not the big changes that heal us, but the small, consistent ones. A cup of tea, a quiet night, a few moments to care for yourself. Start tonight and let your body thank you in the morning. Until next time, stay well, sleep deep, and take care of your amazing self.